We completed 20 levels. I believe we have time to do maybe one more level. We have 2 minutes left on the clock.
For the win!
Oh. Okay.
CodeCombat.
Move right.
So for your codes runs in order line by line. Now we use code blocks, groups of commands that can reuse over and over. Yes. So what are we doing? Add 4 spaces. Okay. Oh, we're just indenting the line?
Chashin.
So we're going right, up, left, down. Okay, they just wanted you to indent the spaces.
Move right. Move up. Move left. Move down. Move right. Move up. Move left. Move down. Move right.